All right, so let's hop on back to the charts. Now let's take a look at anything, whatever we want to do. Let's take a look at gold. Now remember, these are the swing days, and we know the swing days from before. So all we have to do is basically follow through. Now from our members club area, let's get in there as well and see how that's going to help us out as well. Let's see. Okay. Now, as you know, you guys already have the full month of March. So the first thing we've got to do is, check out the swing days for the week. If I want to check out next week, I've got next week, the week after, the full month. Okay, so if I've got Tuesday and Thursday, obviously, it's good to also check out what's going on next week, right? So I want to see ahead for everything. And then my technical analysis can be kind of like much more effective. It's more forward looking. And I've got the hours as well. So I can plan. You can plan your gym, your shopping, your kids picking up, whatever you want to do, because you got the hours to trade for the day as well. But having an understanding of, we're going into the members area, we're checking out the swing days, we're checking out the swing hours. There's a video for every day as we go forward. And then you can kind of like add it to your analysis and get additional ideas as well. Now with gold, as you know, last week Friday swing day, market moves up. This week we had Tuesday and Thursday. Now Thursday, as you can see, can turn into 2 days, but you see we went up into Tuesday from Friday. Market moved down into Thursday. Okay, so now on the one hand, Thursday is a sell from this zone. On the other hand, Thursday is a buy from here, right? So if I know the hours, let's take a look at the trading hours. Okay, these are the trading hours, and I know that on the PST indicator we've got now a breakout. Okay, you can see that. Let me make that a little bigger on the daily. Right, so we've got a PST breakout. Remember that price level is 56.58, 2,914. So I've got 2,914 right here. And that's already breached. And look at where the market found support, right on the PST. So we've broken above the PST. Now if the market dips down, here stop sweeps, here stop sweeps, I want to be going up. Now remember, Trump is talking today, and it doesn't matter whether he talks or not. It's irrelevant. Okay, the world doesn't go according to Trump. So if I've got the hours, then all I have to do is basically focus on the time and the price. So let's take a look. Now in the videos of this week, also on social media, remember what I posted? Let's get back onto Monday. Okay, this is Friday, and that's your Monday. Now, what did I say? I said we've got a move up from Friday, so on the pullbacks, we're going to go up. See how beautiful this matches our technical analysis. Everything we've learned in the coaching program. This is the impulse wave. All you have to do is measure the move. All right, that's all you got to do. Where's the move taking off from? There. That's your 50. Where's the manipulation bar? There. That's your 37.5 right there. It's on the opening. It's a trading hour. Okay, so that's the push. That's the low. And on each case, you can see it's a 62, 50, 37.5. And now we've got a turnaround. The swing hour matching price. If you didn't want to use that, if you wanted to use that, that's fine. That's your resistance. That's your triangle. Impulse, triangle, trading hour. Market breaks out at the trading hour. You just follow through. What do you do on a Tuesday? Well, I did say what we can do on a Tuesday. Okay, I said, look, the market pushed up. Anytime the market pulls back down, we're good to go up. Why? Because we're in a rectangle now. Okay, the market is on a push. Now we're rectangle. Market is down in the rectangle. It's a trade hour. It's a breakout right at the trade hour. and then we're going to the next trade hour. Cover your trade, push it up. Market comes down. You don't want to buy expensive. It's not how we trade. Let it come back at the trading hour. We're back in business at the trading hour. Market goes up again. That's an intraday trade, nice and easy. The market is going sideways. Now remember, Tuesday is a swing day. What did I say? Well, you don't want to buy at the top, but if it's a swing day and we've moved up into it, do you want to sell? Can you? Well, the trade is up. If you want to go against an uptrend on a swing day, I'm okay with that. Okay, how am I okay with that? With a smaller risk. Okay, so I can still trade at a price and at a time with a smaller lot size, significantly reducing my risk because I'm going against the trend. And if anybody wanted to sell the high close to that trading hour, you would have been still okay. Not the best of trades, obviously, because we've got targets to the upside, okay? And that's your weekly and that's your monthly. And remember, the trend is up on the long term, okay? So now what? Well, the market, let's get back to the 15-minute chart. Market made the impulse wave. Let me shrink this down. Okay, we have an upwards move. Now I've got a resistance. Now I've got a support level. This is where the market took off. Now we're in a rectangle. Every time we're down, you can go up, or if it's a swing day, you can sell the high. Thursday was a swing day. Look what they did. Big sell. Goes back up, big sell. Now we're on a Friday up here. The market broke above the PST level. If we dip down, what did I say in the morning's video? I said, guys, you can trade whatever you're trading next week. Let the news pan out. It's not a swing day, but Thursday was. And I did say, if you want to sell on a Thursday, if you want to sell the high, you can. I'm okay with it. And there you go. Market sells off the highs. Your trade would have been covered and you would have been in a profit. But I always say, against the trend, reduce risk significantly. Okay? So instead of trading with one lot, let's say trade with, I don't know, 0.3. Okay? Reduce it down. So now we're in this zone here. Now remember, the PST is broken out. It is a Friday. Okay, and this zone is a resistance area. We have a breakout. I don't mind buying if the market comes down, but with all the news that's happening, the only good time, as you know from my book, I give you the swing hours all the time. So today I'm looking at it and I'm thinking there are only a few places we can trade today, and good hours are going to be at 10:15. Okay, so between 10 and 10:15, and we've got 6 o'clock. Sorry. 1800. It's my time, UTC plus 3. So those are the good hours. In between, we've got 7:45. Okay, that's also going to be an important zone. So when the news is coming out, these hours will be important. If we are low, you can buy. If we are high, you can sell, depending on what you're trading. And if you're going against a trend, obviously, keep your lot sizes lower. The same thing goes for the euro dollar. Remember, euro dollar, I said Friday, Monday, swing day. That's your Friday. That's your Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday was a swing day. See how the market, boom, sold off. And I said we would get here because we had a target. We're up here. Now, all of that happened on swing hours. Now, watch this. Let's get into those swing hour periods we had. In the club area, you know the swing hour for every day. All right. So yesterday, let's see, we had what? 10:30 to 11, 1:15. So 10:30 is 9:30. So let's get into 9:30. This is your 9:30 here. Whoops, sorry, that one. So 9:30. We're at the lows. We had 1:30, which is 12:30. That's more like it, 12:30 here. Why? Because this is the closing and the opening. If you want to buy, you want to buy at a place where there's a pullback. Okay, so that's not a bad place. What else did we have? Remember, the platform is 1 hour behind. We had 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is going to be 3 o'clock here. Well, look, that's your 3 o'clock. right there, market going up. Then we had 6 o'clock, which is going to be 6:30, I think we had, wasn't it? We had, yep, 6:45 to 7:30, which is 5:45 to 6:30 on the platform. That's your 5:45. 6:30 is right there. So that's the zone. Market dips down, pulls back, sell off. Where to? Down here. What hour is that? 8:45. The platform is 1 hour behind, so it's 9:45 my time, spot on. Look at that, 9:45 to 9:55. That's just 10 minutes, guys, nothing. And that's the same bar, and it's 8:45 because the platform is 1 hour behind us. And that's it. And then the market's all the way up here. We wanted to get up to that zone in any case. As you know, this was the target I've been talking about. And as you all know, if you're watching the videos, guys, I'm saying I'm bearish from all the lows down here. All of that we've been expecting months in advance. Remember, we've been waiting for this level since the market was up here, like for months. We said this is our buy zone, we are going in. All right, and if you all bought, if you've all been buying, great. The only thing I had with this yesterday, this week actually, I did say last week, sorry, said we might be in this triangle, we might dip down to go up, but Friday was a swing day, it was obvious. And then on the weekly, I did say this week we were up here at the price of 47, I think that is 1.0475. I said, guys, we need to buy this. Okay, this is going to break out because the PSD had broken out, and that was at 1.0475 there on Wednesday already. 1.0475 is there. That was on Tuesday, and that is exactly at the pullback hour. 0475 is down here. 0475, ladies and gentlemen. 0475, right at the right time. Market breaking out. If you've missed it, not a problem. Comes back again to the trading hour and just takes off. So anybody following the hours, the swing days, with the technical analysis, guys, this is the minimal risk, maximum profit way of trading. Who else gives anybody in the market pre-calculated swing days a month in advance? Look at all this. All of March, I posted on the 22nd of February. All of February, look, let's go into February. This is the last week of February. I posted on the 19th of January. So all of these are being posted. I'm going to start working on April soon. But this is the surest, safest way to trade. And this is the same for anything. You want to do SP 500, go ahead. You know, you got the swing days. You want to buy at a swing day, at a swing hour, that's it. You want a price, that's it. You want to target down on a monthly? Yes, you can. You want to target down on a weekly? Yes, we can. We've done it. The weekly targets are done. On a daily support zone where the market can stop, it's like PST. So these are all in advance pricing, in advance swing days, in advance swing hours. So it's literally the best way to trade. And if you look at all these swing days that I've done, these are all known in advance. Okay, and as we come up to the next week, we're going to put them where the market is in our technical pricing level. Then I'm going to say, okay, let's go. Are we going down, up? What's our bias? So on a swing day, where do you want to buy? On a swing day, where do you want to sell? If we're high, we want to sell. Look at all these swing days up here. It was, the price is high and we've got swing days. It's just, say, guys, sell it off. Sell it off. And that's it. Look at the swing hours on the highs. Look at the swing hours on the lows. The swing days, sorry. Okay, and for every day, imagine having an hour. So if I went back, let's say into the 13th of January, you could. All you have to do is come back here, go to the January archive, and then you'll be able to see 13th of January. No, we have to go one more back, I think. Let's see if I go into one more back, 13th to 17th of January. Those are the swing days, the hours for everything, as you can see. So on any given day, you can actually time it as well here. It's all in there if you want to check how we were doing in the past as well. You can see I've got archives going all the way back into December, November. And the way I've put it into this format, it's been like, several years. You can just go back to whatever you want. You'll get swing days, swing hours. You can test it out. But there's no better way to trade than time and price. If you know your swing day, your swing hour, your pricing, this is the minimum risk, maximum profit approach. I hope this helps. I hope it's also a bit more clear as to what you do, what you can do in the members area for those of you who are not members, and what you can learn in the coaching program. Obviously, we're always matching our technical analysis into that swing day and swing hour format. This is why, like, if you don't know technical analysis, obviously, you're going to have a bit of a problem. So technical analysis and timing, we want them together. We want them to correlate, and then we want to use them together and then nail it with our money management. And then you can see, like, you're in a much safer position to trade than other people. Also, with your technical analysis, you always pick the edges to trade. And if you know the swing day, that's your time. It's your day, it's your time, it's your price on the edges. So you can sell off the highs and buy the lows, and don't muck around in the middle. If you don't want to take extra risk, don't do it. You know the swing days, you know the prices. So if you're more conservative, you can trade less. If you want to do more trading, you're still in a better advantage because you know the swing days. Then you can say, well, this is a swing day. If it comes down, I'm going to buy. Why? Because the market came down. So if the market is down and I'm on a swing day, I'm looking for places to buy to go up. And if that's an intraday trade, that's minimum risk, max return trade still. Okay, and it's really hard for a lot of people to believe that we can calculate swing days, swing hours up front. But please believe what you see instead of what your head assumes. All right, have a good weekend. That's all. Like you can see as well, the best way to trade, time and price. Have a great weekend.